Hello. Pythagoras' theorem states that if you have a right-angled triangle with side lengths A, B and hypotenuse C, then A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, if we have side lengths, say 6 and 4, then we know that 6 squared plus 4 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So doing these calculations, 36 plus 16 is equal to C squared. So C is equal to the square root of 36 plus 16, which is equal to precisely 2 root 13, which is equal to 7.2 to 1 decimal place. Let's do another one. Let's say this side is 3, this side is 4, then side length 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Let's do these calculations. 9 plus 16 is equal to C squared. So C is equal to the square root of 9 plus 16, which is equal to 5. Exactly 5. That's lovely, isn't it? Now let's do one where we know the size of the hypotenuse and one of the other sides. Let's call that 4, and let's call this side A. So we know that A squared plus 4 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So if we get A on its own, we will say A squared is equal to 17 squared minus 4 squared. So A is equal to the square root of 17 squared minus 4 squared, which is equal to the square root of 273. That's the precise answer, which is also 16.52 to 2 decimal places. So you've now mastered Pythagoras' theorem. If you like mathematics as much as me, then like the video, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more.